Welcome back to my channel. I just want to first thank you guys for all the support that I've had on my other videos, and I can't wait to show you guys this tutorial. I've actually done this look before and spent 2 hours on it and 4 hours editing, but it vanished. It went poof, goodbye, and so I had to do another one, and that was difficult to come to terms with, but I actually know for a fact that this turned out better than my first try because I kind of learned the technique of doing things. So I hope that this video can help you guys if you want to try this. I would call this like a sunset look. I'm sure that's what I'm calling this video, titling it. This is actually my Instagram followers picked every single thing, down to how my hair is, down to primer, bronzer, setting powder, everything was picked by my Instagram followers. So I'll kind of just be showing you guys like which one won the vote. So hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe and enjoy.
The first thing you voted on was liquid primer over powder, so thank you. And you guys picked L'Oreal's Infallible foundation sticks over Maybelline, which is not my first choice, but it ended up turning out good. It did come out a little bit dewier than expected and probably took about twice the time it normally takes me to blend. I kept having like really harsh lines, so you'll see me eventually go in with a brush, but after I set this look, it turned out fine. It didn't separate throughout the day, which was always great. I'll be going in with my brush soon to smooth out the lines. And speaking about the setting powder coming up, when I put these two in a vote against each other to begin with, I didn't realize that the Too Faced that you guys chose was like very dark. Quickly here, you guys can see me going in with too light of a shape tape from Tarte, and I guess that was just blamed on I thought I'd be whiter in winter, but for some reason I got this weird tan going on, which surprised. But smooth that out, and here's that powder that I was talking about earlier. Clearly not the same shade, so I had to go in with Covergirl Clean Professionals translucent powder, and sorry that I did not use that under my eyes, but I was not trying to look like an Oompa Loompa, so I did end up using it right here. You guys can see on my cheeks, I looked like Edward Cullen with all these sparkles in the air, but it was fine. You guys chose Estee Lauder's Bronze Goddess, which is my all-time favorite bronzer. Thank you, Mom, for that introduction. You guys chose a more natural brow over the dark glam brow, which I also didn't agree with, but it's fine. You chose Kylie Cosmetics blush. I'm just going in with an eye primer here and setting it. And I'll go in with Stilazzi's yellow and eventually orange after this. I found that packing on this product with my finger resulted in the most vibrant look, which was nice. But this stuff is very cheap, and you're going to get cheap results. So I felt like my eyes were a little red the next morning. Yes, I slept in my makeup, don't kill me, but just be careful with that. Going in with pink from Juvia's Masquerade palette. I will never have anything bad to say about that brand. They're the most perfect brand ever. Kylie Cosmetics Burgundy palette. Blending our little hearts out. Going back in with the Masquerade palette, more magenta tone, and eventually we're going in with the purple. The purple was a little bit shinier than expected, and the look that I'm recreating here that you guys chose, I did not have a purple or like a maroon to match what the model had, but I did my best and tried to make it as close as I could. you'll see I go in with a Nubian palette, that kind of dark gray, blackish shade, to kind of mattify the purple and deepen those creases. Wiping away excess powder and going in and cutting our crease with Shape Tape from Tarte. You just look up and it cuts exactly where you need it to. I do believe that I went a little bit too far up. I kind of kept adjusting this and the purple suffered in doing so. So I did touch up the purple, but in hindsight, I should not have gone as high with the crease. I kind of just set that in and make it to where it's not so wet. I will eventually start packing in my colors, the same that we used on our eyelid. So starting off with this yellow, again using my finger for most pigment, and then the orange, pink, magenta, and purple. Just kind of blending things out with my finger. Taking my time so I'm not going across that line. I will clean up under my eyes with the Shape Tape from Tarte and kind of fix any blush or bronzer. The dark purple goes under my eyes and cleaned. And now I put a little highlight under my brows and in the inner corners of my eyes to brighten up this look. Of course, gotta highlight that nose. Putting yellow on my lower lash line and going in with some NYX lip gloss. It's their like butter gloss collection, and this stuff smells so delicious. It smells like marshmallows, and I just want to taste it, but it's just a really pretty lip color. You guys chose a liquid liner over gel, and I'm always going to use this Maybelline Precise Line. It just kind of guides me on where to go. I will next go in with some glitter from MAC after I finish off this liner. Probably had this stuff since I was like in 8th grade. And go in with Maybelline's Illegal Length Mascara. And you guys chose Ardell Wispy's, a more natural lash for me. You guys chose Rosewater over the Bare Minerals setting spray, which is not what I'd normally choose, but it worked out fine. It set things in place.
Alright guys, this is the final look, so I want to thank you again for watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing, and can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye!